In this video, we will go over measurement modes. They are located under the antenna settings. To get to the antenna settings, just tap on the antenna settings icon in the ribbon. You'll see that there are three different modes. They are standing, walking, and vehicle. In the standing mode, you'll notice there is an antenna height setting on the right-hand side, and our current antenna height is 6.56 feet. We are using a 2-meter grade rod, so that converts over to the 6.56 feet. Above the antenna height is an image of how to measure the antenna height. You measure it from the bottom of your receiver to the bottom of the grade rod. We're going to go ahead and tap on Change to Walking Mode. On the right-hand side, you'll still notice the same icon showing you how to measure the antenna height. Our current antenna height is 6.56 feet. But in this instance, we're going to be holding the grade rod slightly above the ground as we are walking. So we're going to increase this. We're going to go ahead and type in 6.6 feet and then tap accept. Below the antenna height is an interval. This is the distance of traveled from the last point to the next measured point. Currently, we are set at 15 feet. We're going to go ahead and drop that down to 4 feet and then tap accept. So the last mode is vehicle mode. We're going to go ahead and tap on Change to Vehicle. On the right-hand side, you'll notice the icon has updated, showing you how to measure the antenna height on a vehicle. It is from the bottom of the receiver to the ground. Current antenna height on this one is 6.56. Antenna height can be hard to measure on a vehicle since the receiver is normally mounted in the center of the vehicle. But if you tap on this icon to the right of the antenna height cell, it will open a measure antenna height box. You can enter the current ground elevation and then tap measure, or if you're over a known point, you could tap the map icon next to the cell and then select that point from the map screen and hit accept to bring in that elevation. Since we are not near a known point, we're going to go ahead and tap back. And our current elevation is around that 5440.5 that is currently entered in the box, so we're going to go ahead and tap measure. As you can see, our antenna height is 6.72, so it has updated the antenna height box. And below that is our interval. It is set to 16.4 feet, so you have to travel that 16.4 feet from the last point measured for it to measure the next point. So all of those look good. We're going to go ahead and tap back to change to standing mode and then tap accept at the bottom. You can use all of these modes throughout multiple features in SitePulse. They are measure point, tape measure, measure line, measure area, and then under surfaces, if you tap generate surface, you can use all three of the modes to measure the boundary to define that surface. And we will cover each of these features in further depth in future videos. For more training, please visit learn.trimble.com and set up your free account.